We visited Carlos Yulo's final day of training in Metz. He wraps up a grueling 2.5-week conditioning and training camp as he prepares for 5 days of competition starting July 27. We get his and Coach Nedal Al-Youssef's thoughts before they leave for Paris.
Kahapon po, kinabahan po ako talaga sobra. Well, may mga stumble mistakes po. Kailangan ko lang siguro wag ako magmadali. Mas mag-focus ako sa breathing ko pa. So, yung mga ganong maliliit na detalye po, yung mga papracticing ko pa po pagdating sa Olympic Village po.
So, in general, the evaluation was very good. And sometimes it's good to have some hiccups so you can deal with it earlier, which has happened with a couple of things. And I think that it becomes a more mental things to settle slowly to the games, but in general we are really more than happy with the way he progressed, and he's more focused, more in control, and the skill we were worried about it's been completely finished and hitting it nicely.
Carlos also admits that he got swallowed by the moment at the Tokyo Games and the difference of his approach to this edition of the Olympics and how he is dealing now with the pressure.
Siguro nung Olympics, hindi lang ako aware na overwhelmed ako sa lahat ng nangyayari. Pero overwhelmed talaga ako noon. Dinideny ko lang siguro siya. Pero alam ko sa sarili ko na kabado ako, yung mga ganong bagay po. Pero yung pressure na pinuput po nila kasi sa akin, hindi ko po talaga yun naiisip. Sa araw na yun, kung ano yung kaya kong gawin, ibubuhos ko lahat.
A lot of athletes, as elite as they are, never make it to the big show. Carlos Yulo has a second shot at a medal or medals in this year's Olympic Games. It is a rare opportunity he doesn't want to waste. But he is approaching these games with a better understanding of his body and, more importantly, his emotions and his mind. He has developed more breathing techniques and practices meditation more often at this stage of his career. He knows what's at stake, and he is ready to spring into action for Paris 2024. From Metz, France, I'm Boom Gonzalez.